What's good, guys? Welcome back to the channel, man. First off, before we even start this video, I just want to say shout out to you guys, man. We officially hit 11,000 subscribers. Okay, we are so close to getting to that goal of 20K. Now I know I'm more close to 10,000, but you got to speak it into existence. And look at the S2K, man. I'm working hard and you guys are working hard by helping me get to where I want to be. And I just want to say thank you guys for supporting me, man. I know it's been a long road. I know a lot of you guys have been watching me since 500, 1,000 subscribers, and watching me debate back and forth if I wanted to flare the car, because someone in my comment section, I'm not going to say any names, said that me flaring my car is not a wide body. Okay. But I just want to say shout out to you guys, man. Look at the S2K. I'm so in love with this look. I still get a lot of people saying like, oh, you're going to regret it. And to be honest with you, the way my car's looking right now, there's no way I could regret it. I love the way the car drives with the meaty tire setup and just minimal camber. And I don't regret it. I'm not gonna lie to you. Honestly, if I feel like I'm getting bored of having a flared car, I would rather buy another S2000 than to spend money and go and try to get the car I don't know, what would you like, get body work done to where, you know, everything's remolded and everything like that. I also see a lot of people telling me I should have molded the flare to the car, but it's like, you know, when you mold it to the car, you do understand that I'm not going to be able to switch it up the way I want to. Yeah, I could go back and cut again, but then that's doing more work, when all I would have to initially do is just take the rivets out and put a new flare kit on it and just screw the rivets in, you know. So I just want to say we hit 11,000 subscribers. Your boy is super motivated, and I'm super proud that I'm making my dreams come true and you guys are making my dreams come true also. But today, I'm going to be shooting some pictures for the S2K because we have a car show coming up in October, First Class Fitment. And they're very, very, very particular on the cars that they choose to be in that show. So I want to make sure that the pictures that I submit is very, very fresh, very, very clean and HD. Then we also have Simply Clean in Florida. My goal is to get the car down there. I'm probably going to be taking the auto train, but that's the goal. I want to get the car down there, so I also have to submit photos for that. But that's in September, which is like a couple days away. Kind of sucks to see the summer go away, but you know, what can we do? It's starting to get dark early a little bit now, so you know, our vlogs may be limited to what is going to be happening this winter. But you know, your boy thugs it out and he does the best that he can. But let's go get some gas because I didn't put any gas in the car after the show. I kind of just went straight home. And yeah, because you know, when you're in an indoor car show, you have to have a quarter tank or else they're not going to let you in. So, you know, I just kind of kept my gas low. But I'm about to go get some gas now and then try to find a location to shoot the car. Oh. Hey, see, gaslight. It's so hard trying to find spots to shoot your car, man. Always hard to find spots. The one spot I was gonna go to is like cops sitting there, and I don't feel like being asked questions and bothered, so I'm not gonna go there. But there's never any like places to go and shoot. Like, I don't know. I gotta find something though. Somewhere, someplace, man. Gotta get these photos out for First Class Fitment. Got to. Even if I don't get in, you know, this will be my first time trying, you know. It's like I said, it's like one of those shows where it's like they're very, 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 very specific of the cars they choose. So when people don't get in, they get so butthurt. But like, you know, me personally, like, I don't really care. But it would be nice to get in, you know. If I get in, then I'm happy. If I don't, I'm still gonna go. Like, I've always gone to their shows. I think one of my first vlogs to be honest with you, was going to that show. I had to take that video down though because I got demonetized. So I took it down, but that was like one of my first vlogs. And I drove in the BMW. So like, you know, I was never the kind of person like, oh, they didn't accept me, I'm not going to their show. Like, nah. I've never been that kind of person. Like, I've always like went to experience any car show, any event. Like, I've always been that kind of guy. Like, I don't really care to win trophies or like place in any type of like show or anything like that. Like, it doesn't bother me if I don't win, you know. That's like rule number one to being a car guy. Like, don't build your car for like other people's likings, or like, oh, this car has this. Because I'm telling you, if you compete with these other guys who have the money or go in debt trying to make their car the best, trust me, bro, you're gonna always be playing a chasing and catch-up game. I'm telling you. Once you see a guy who has like thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars into his car, it's like, bro, you're gonna have to do that in order to win. So it's best for you to just take your time, pace yourself, and do it like the right way. You know what I mean? Like, majority of the time, like when you have these guys who have like cars that are like crazy outrageous, they have like everything done to it in such a short amount of time, 99% of the time they don't even enjoy the car, you know? They don't even enjoy like owning the car. It just sits there. Like me, I drive my car, I enjoy my car, I try to take my car out as much as possible, you know? So just always keep that in mind when you're building these cars, or just even like getting into the car scene. You don't want to just compete with everybody, you know? It doesn't hurt to have a little competition, but don't go debting yourself just to like beat people at car shows, because I'm telling you, it's not worth it. The trophies are not even worth it. Like, them shits are like plastic, you know? You're spending thousands of dollars to receive a piece of plastic. So that's just my opinion, you know? It doesn't hurt to, it doesn't, like, don't get me wrong, if I win something, I'm happy, because it's like, damn, like, okay, cool, you acknowledge me. But if I don't win, like, I don't understand when guys really get so butthurt when they don't win, bro. You be like, bro, obviously the guy's car is better than yours, or maybe this guy's car has something that your car doesn't have, bro. Like, don't get butthurt because you didn't win. Like, I see that a lot in these car shows and these car events. I keep getting these freaking scam likely calls. What the hell? All right, so we're out here. Got some flicks already. Gang gang. The S2K looks so good, bro. So good. I might need to back it up a little bit. Yeah, I'm gonna back it up just a little bit. Alright, so I just finished taking pictures of the car. I'm gonna go home now and edit. I gotta edit the Week Fest vlog. I gotta edit the cleaning my car vlog. I gotta edit like 3 videos for you guys. So I'm about to hurry up and go back home and finish up my work, edit these photos too, and then start a new vlog, which is this one here. This one, it might carry on over into tomorrow, because I'm gonna drive the car to work, so we're gonna see how that goes. Like, look at this. Oh my god, bro. But you gotta do what you gotta do. I feel like I'm going off-roading. You gotta do what you gotta do, man, when you want to get these pics, bro. Sometimes it's a curse and a blessing to live in areas like this where, you know, you got a lot of trees and stuff. Alright, let's see. Look at this. Look at these roads, bro. Come on, dude. Like, how is this even possible? I know someone's gonna be like, bro, where I live at, the roads is worse. Nah. Nah. Shit is horrible. Look at that. That's a freaking pool right there. I feel like I'm going off-roading. Woo. I freaking love this car, boy. Alright, so when I was out there taking pics or whatever, I noticed that this light is out. This light is out. The amber light is out. So I'm not sure if it's rubbed, like if it rubbed out or whatnot. So I'm gonna check under there and see. All right, so from what I see, it looks like the wiring and everything else is intact. Obviously, I'm not gonna be able to show you guys because how it's placed inside there, obviously. But it looks like it's pretty good. Like it just probably just needs another bulb. All right, airing the car out for right now. Not airing it all the way out because can't air it all the way out because of the tires, but alright, it's good money. Good money. Good morning, guys, man. Welcome back to the channel. We got a little POV action going on right now. Trying to get myself situated and ready. Start our day. What's good, guys? Your boy just finally got off work, man. It's a nice day out. As you guys can see, your boy's in the S2K. I'm trying to get my seatbelt on. I'm gonna get some harnesses like real soon, because this seatbelt is annoying as hell. Like when it sits up here, it like rubs on my neck because of the way the bolster is up here. So I have to like slide it down to the side so that way it sits over my shoulder. But your boy's off work. I'm super excited about that. It's really hot out today. It's like 100 degrees. Okay, it's not 100 degrees, but it's 92 degrees out right now. And yeah, it's choking hot right now. So the other day I was driving and I saw my dream car sit up inside this parking lot, bro. I couldn't believe it. At the Porsche dealership. I seen it and I was like, I could not believe it, bro. I could not believe it. Where is that thing? Look. Look, oh my God, they got an NSX sitting right here, bro. Damn, sitting right here at the Porsche dealership, bro. 38? Damn, dream car, bro. Dream car, bro. Oh, it's automatic though. Ah, man. I wonder how much it would cost to swap this to a manual. Nice. Should I trade in the S2K for an NSX? S2K, NSX. I don't know, man. This NSX is sitting right here for your boy, man. Oh my God. And it's only 38, well, it's a lot, but 38,000 compared to what I've been seeing on a normal day basis. Them shits go for like 60, 50. I guess because this one has been sitting, I guess, for a while and it's automatic. So it's gonna be hard to sell. Because most guys who want these cars want manual, so I don't know, man. I want that car though so bad. I wish I could afford it right now. I wish I could have this and that. That would be a dope ass freaking buy, bro. And then swap it to manual. That would be like crazy content. I was hoping like one of the dealers or I don't know, salesmen will come out and speak to me, but no one came out and spoke to me. Like after I turned the camera off, I kind of waited around and lingered and stuff to see if anybody would say anything to me, but they didn't, so I don't know. Whatever. I really do wish I could get that shit though. Like, see, I'm the type of person, like, when I want something, I kind of just put it out there and then I work as hard as I can to get it. Just like how I did with the S2000, like, I talked about it, and I was like, you know what? I'm gonna go for it. But we'll see, you know. You never know what the future has in store for me and, you know, for everything else that I do in life. So I'm just gonna keep taking it day by day and work as hard as I can. That light. That's because I let the light in on y'all lives. Look,